Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to earn 20% APY by staking the TerraUSD or UST token via the OKX exchange earn feature. Now, if you're not familiar with TerraUSD or UST, which is its ticker symbol, it is basically the decentralized algorithmic stablecoin of the Terra blockchain. It is scalable, and more importantly for us, it's a yield-bearing coin that is value pegged to the US dollar. So the fact we can earn yield without having to worry about huge fluctuations in price of this particular token does reduce the risk when actually staking this stablecoin. And with that being said, today I will actually be earning that yield over here on the OKX exchange. Now, if you're not familiar with OKX, if we jump over here to CoinGecko, you can see they're ranked number 2 as far as the top cryptocurrency exchanges. And I've been using OKX over the past year with some pretty good success. There's a lot of videos in my playlist with trading. They have a grid bot. I've been doing other staking on the platform, and it is quickly becoming my #1 exchange for me. Now, with that all being said, much like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, you still have to send money to the exchange, and they have control of your keys, thus they have control of your crypto. So you will want to do your recon before you ever send money to any one of these exchanges, and never send more money than you're willing to lose to any one of these exchanges. Now, if you don't have an OKX exchange account, I will drop a link in the description down below, and if you use my link, you will actually get a rebate on your trading fees by using my link and signing up through my link. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to actually earning some APY. So the first thing I need to do is obviously log into my OKX account, and from my dashboard I can come up here to the tab at the top of the screen that says Finance, scroll down to Earn, give that a click, and that will bring us over here to the OKX Earn dashboard. Now, if I jump over here to my earnings, you can see that I do have a few coins currently earning some yield. That'd be my Gala, my CELT tokens, and Alpha. So I will jump back over here to the main Earn dashboard. You can see that UST or TerraUSD is currently paying 20% yield on a flexible term, and if I click select, you can see that I'll actually be staking via Anchor and earning that 20%. Now, you might be wondering, why not just stake directly through Anchor? And you can definitely do that. If you jump over here to Anchor's app, you can actually stake your USDT over here with Anchor if you click on the Earn button, and you would need to connect your Terra Station wallet to the Anchor platform, and then you could actually deposit and start staking and earning a yield. What's interesting is the yield is currently lower over here on Anchor than it's showing over here on OKX. But since it is a yield, this rate can fluctuate, so in reality you might actually be earning what is shown over here on the Anchor platform. But today, since I already hold some TerraUSD or UST over here on OKX, I am actually going to stake it through OKX. If you want to see a video on how to stake directly through Anchor, drop a comment in the comment section down below that you want to see that, and I'd be more than happy to create a video on how to stake via Anchor directly. The only real issue I have with that is I have enough accounts as it is between all my exchanges and all my different wallets. My original thought was, why do I need to open up another wallet with the Terra Station and then stake on another platform? Where in reality, I use OKX on a daily basis, and the fact that I can stake right here and earn a similar reward, to me, just makes more sense. Alright, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get these coins staked. Now, I currently have just shy of 1,000 of the USDT token. If you don't have any tokens, it's really simple. You just come up here to the Trade tab, and you could go to Basic Trading, give that a click. From here, you just make sure that the pair you have selected is UST, USDT, if that's the funds you have available to buy the UST token. And then I would typically do a limit order. In this case, it looks like the bid price is running at 9999. So I'd put in the bid price either 9999 or maybe 9998, looking for a little slippage. And then the amount I want to buy, or I could just do the amount I want to spend and it will populate the amount I want to buy. So if I wanted to buy 1,000 USDT worth of UST, that would populate that area, and I'd just click on buy UST. Now I already have my UST, so I'm actually ready to jump back over here to the earn tab and start earning some of that APY. So again, just scroll down, find UST, click on select. And as I mentioned earlier, you're staking through Anchor. The APY is around 20%. The term is flexible. And now I just click on subscribe. And the first thing you can see is the risk reminder. The APY is adjusted according to data on the chain. And there's a possibility that that can fluctuate. Currently, the term is flexible at around 20%. And I will do an update video in the near future to see if I'm actually earning this 20% or if the rate over on Anchor is lower if I'm earning the lower rate. So you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss any future update videos. Now you can see the minimum amount you need to stake would be 50 UST, but I will stake the max it will let me, which is going to be all that I basically have available. And then my estimated interest that I would earn on a daily basis is going to be around 55 UST. Now if we scroll down, you can see the actual rules, I guess it is, for the actual subscription. And you can see I'll be starting today, and my interest accrual will get paid at the end of the day, basically. And then the interest paid after redemption, and my redemption period is 1 to 24 hours. So basically, I believe I'll be getting paid about every 24 hours for this particular subscription. And I can withdraw at any time. I'm not locked into 30 or 60 days, and that's kind of what the flexible term is all about. So now I'm ready to click subscribe. And now I get a confirmation of the amount I'm going to stake. Basically, the term is flexible, meaning I can withdraw at any time. The APY is around that 20%, and then my estimated interest is going to be around 55 cents a day on my just about 1,000 UST. So I have read and agreed with the DeFi service user agreement. I definitely recommend you do your recon and read through that agreement before you actually commit. And now all I need to do is click continue. And now you can see the total deposit has increased in my earnings account. And if we look down at my assets that are actually earning, you'll see UST is now earning via the Anchor platform that 20% APY. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. It's extremely simple, and in the long run, it's fairly low risk because, again, I'm staking a stable coin that should not really fluctuate much in price. And I will do an update video in the future to basically confirm that I'm earning the 20% APY. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.